spots first. One of which Chanel has no idea what it is, so it's gonna be a little surprise to her. I'm sure all you guys will appreciate it as well. How's it feel to be back in M4?
Very nice. Missed it.
The hell was a cop that just flew by on the motorcycle? So if you can't tell already, we're at one of the biggest car meets in LA called Supercross Sunday. Last weekend Kevin Hart was here.
Really?
Yeah. Got the M4 parked up right by the McLaren. Beautiful RWE 911. Wow. Nice Huracan. Crazy unique McLaren. Check out the interior on this Huracan STO. Man. AWE non-resonating track exhaust and beautiful 20-inch mini wheels. So altogether, that brings this car to roughly around 520, 525-ish horsepower. And we're looking at 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds, around 3.5, maybe 3.4, depending on the conditions. So we're sat behind a brand new Corvette, which appears to have some kind of like carbon fiber body kit on it. And the car culture out here is just insane. So now that we made that quick pit stop and looked at some really nice cars, we're gonna go ahead and grab some coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. You like it? So what did you get?
Like one of their like specialties, New Orleans style.
I got the classic cappuccino. I'm gonna take the lid off first because first thing you gotta do with cappuccinos, right? They ruined just by the lid being put on it. I should have told her not to put a lid on it, but
Yeah, it's basically just steamed milk and coffee, espresso.
okay.
I think it's a double shot of espresso and steamed milk. A little bitter.
Very bitter. The flavor's good. It's just, you know, I'm not used to bitter coffee. I've never really been a fan of it, but
You ordered a cap.
I got a cappuccino. You know, I had to try it, so. I like this one. Well, I definitely like yours better. But I'm not like a coffee guy. I'm more of like a.
You're slowly becoming a coffee
But
guy.
you know, I'm getting there. Man recently turned 25, so
Your palate is evolving.
I'm starting to, you know, become more of a man. Trying more manly drinks.
Like when it's all business,
Yeah.
you need some just bitter.
More towards noon, you get something like this, right? You get like an iced.
Yeah, when I'm feeling cute,
Yeah.
a
Okay.
little more open, a little more awake.
Okay. So I'm trying to learn more about the coffee life. You know, have you ever found yourself drinking something like this in the evening? Or?
No, I mean, I'm cheap, so I make my own coffee.
Spoken like a true, the coffee guru? Is that what we're calling you? It's
Yeah.
incredible. I mean, I want to go to Italy because they got Ferraris, Lambos, and espresso. Right?
Exactly. And pizza.
and pizza. I mean, you really can't get much better. We're enjoying this coffee. We're gonna knock it back a little bit, and then we're gonna hop back in the car and get back on the road. Looks like somebody else knows the deal and knows where the good coffee is at. It's a Miami Blue GT3. I'm gonna hop back in the M4, get back on the road. Trying so hard not to put this car in Sport Plus because I know we're in like basically Calabasas. So I've always heard how the cops are here. They're super alert.
And it's a residential area.
This is what people are paying for, is have the cops just pull you over for no reason. So. Check out the views out here in LA. So we just found a spot to pull off real quick and appreciate where the hell we are at. Man, it's so beautiful out here. You know what's crazy? It's like it's getting better and better and better. At some point, it's gonna pop us off at the ocean. I'm from Michigan. Everything flat there. I love anything with some kind of depth. And to be in a car like this, the M4, all modded up exactly how I want it. It's a blessed moment right now. That's what I love about the M4. Is it's such a good handling car. This one has adaptive suspension, so if you go full Sport Plus on that suspension, it gets real tight, real firm. Pretty much rides like a race car. According to the GPS, we're about to hit the ocean, so let's see what California has in store for us. Just like that, we're out. Got the M4 parked up. Look at this view. I'm speechless right now. This is one of the best places I've ever seen, ever, for car spotting. The amount of supercars and just cars rolling on the street casually, it's absurd. And then a GT3 RS. Oh my God.